Hello dear students, so today we are going to start with new chapter, linear inequations in one variable. Okay, so quickly we'll see what we have done in class 8. So in class 8 we came across different set notations. For example, number 1, set of natural numbers. It is denoted by n, and we know that natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes till infinity. Second is set of whole numbers, and it is denoted by w, and this is started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes on till infinity. Now there are two different notations for set of integers. It is either denoted by z or it is denoted by I, but both means the same. Okay, and the integers always start from minus infinity and goes on till infinity. Okay, so the integers are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so basically it is 0 plus -1 plus -2 plus -3 plus -4 and it goes on and on and on, right? Okay, and another is set of rational numbers. Now rational numbers are denoted by letter Q. Okay, and rational number means the fractional numbers, the numbers which can be written in a by b format. And the last one is set of real numbers, and it is denoted by r. And we are quite familiar with something called number line, right? So we are quite familiar with number line, and we denote our number line in this way, right? So this whole line is also known as real line. Okay, that means every point on this line is a real number. Okay, so if you are not familiar with this, then pause the video to note down. Okay, so we'll start with linear inequations. Okay, so the signs, this sign is known as greater than sign, this is less than sign, this greater than or equal to sign, and similarly this is less than or equal to sign. Okay, so these signs are called the signs of inequality. Okay, now few algebra we need to understand about linear inequations. That means on transferring negative term, okay, that means if there's a sign somewhat like this and I want to transfer some term from here to there, okay, then there will be a change in sign. That's what the second point is saying. Okay, so that means in the negative one, when it goes there, it becomes positive and vice versa. Okay, so let's see the third point. So third point is saying, now if each term is multiplied or divided by positive number, okay, if each term is multiplied or divided by positive number, then the sign of inequalities remains the same. That means if there is, suppose for example if there is greater than sign, okay, and if I multiply or divide both sides by positive number, okay, then this sign remains the same. There is no change in this sign. Okay, now we'll go to the next point, that is the sign of inequality changes. Okay, so this greater than becomes less than if each term is multiplied or divided by same negative number. That means suppose if I have got this sign, if I have got greater than sign, okay, and if I multiply with negative number, okay, same number, it has to be same number, then this sign becomes this one and vice versa. Okay, now second point says, if the sign of each term on the both sides of an inequation is changed, for example, if there is a negative sign and if you want to make it positive, again you need to multiply it by minus. So when you multiply by minus, then this becomes, this greater than becomes less than. Okay, and the third point is on taking the reciprocal of the numbers. Now we are going to see one example of this in the exercise. Okay, now fifth point is always write the solution set of the inequation. So we need to always write the solution set. For example, the solution set of this particular inequation. Here it is said that this x is less than or equal to 3, right? And this x is a natural number. Okay, so x is a natural number and it is less than or equal to 3. So what are the numbers which are less than or equal to 3? So it is 1, 2 and 3, right? So when this 1, 2 and 3 are put in a curly bracket, then this gives me the solution set of the inequation. Okay.